Okay, take two. Hi friends, my name is Riva, you can call me Riv though. I'm 21, non-binary, go by they them pronouns, and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing my September plan with me. I filmed this at my parents' house, so the quality of lighting may not be as good as I would like it to be, but I did my best. This is my very first plan with me, so I would appreciate it if you take it easy on me just a little bit, so that I feel comfortable and hopefully can learn new skills and how to, you know, make good videos. Give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. Thank you so very much for watching my video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, as that tells me what kind of content you guys are into, and if you don't like this kind of content, leave me suggestions down below so that I can make some cool things that I think would be different and unique and fun. Don't forget to check all my social medias, the links are down below, and check out my Patreon because it's finally up. Woo! So if you would like to be a big supporter and become a patron, that would be absolutely wonderful, but no pressure. You guys are still important no matter what role you play in my channel. I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic week. Riv out. Try that again.